Look at it. It looks so good, but it smells so bad. All right, we gotta talk about it. The original Coty Airspun formula. This is in the shade Translucent. However, I need to test this because I don't think this is ash proof. Like, it says translucent, but do mine's eyes deceive me? That's got a little color in it, you know? Like, it's a little beige. Anyway, it is magical, but it stinks. Hey! Don't leave. I need you to talk about stuff. She drives me freaking nuts. Like, I can never trust her. She's so unreliable. All good things. All good things. On to you, babe. This is all you. Coty Airspun powder. Listen, the reason it smells is because Coty was founded as a fragrance house in Paris, France by Joseph Marie Francois Spartuno. The name was inspired by his mother, Marie Adolphine Coty. Francois changed the I of her name to a Y, and with that, Coty was born. Building on the global popularity of its existing cosmetics, Coty introduced the revolutionary Airspun face powder, featuring an innovative new manufacturing technique that produced a softer, finer powder than any on the market. Airspun's success was immediate, sold around the world, and Coty's already iconic powder puff packaging design. Not a lot has changed since then. You can buy this powder anywhere on the internet. Amazon for $60.69. Walmart for $31.41. And an eBay for $26. I don't understand. I'm also looking at an ad from Target and it's $6.99. The difference in the price is baffling and unsettling. Don't buy this for $50. Buy it for $7. Acetylated lanolin alcohol? This is not vegan. Used to set makeup or as foundation. Long-lasting, dermatologically tested. Can you take it back? It stinks. I'm done. Does she even speak English at this point? Like, I don't know what she's talking about. My favorite way to apply powders is to use a beauty sponge and to really pack it in there, kind of like get it on, and then use a spray to like melt her into the skin. You know what I'm saying? Like, it really just like, you're flawless, flawless. I used the Coty Airspun today. Look at this. Gorgeous. It's flawless. The only thing is, it smells so freaking bad. It smells like your grandma's makeup cabinet. It smells like the purse of my mom at church in the 90s. It smells like why don't they get rid of the fragrance? I want to know what it smells like without the fragrance. Coty, please. The girlies want, okay. Conspiracy theory, does the fragrance make it better? Is there something in it that's like, we need that? The fragrance makes it better. Or it actually says the original formula on the packaging. The original formula from 1935. So I think they're just like trying to stay original, and that's just like how they scented stuff back then. Regardless of the smell, once it's on your face, you can't smell it. There are some things that you're like wearing and you're like, Is this ever gonna stop smelling? No, and it doesn't. This stopped smelling, so I 10 out of 10 would recommend this. The way it just like, you're flawless. You are flawless, babe. This may be a little heavy for an everyday kind of gal if you're a natty little girl. That sounded weird. Natty little girl. If you're a natty chick, you might not like it. The Coty Airspun. Why do I call it Airspun? The Coty Airspun original translucent powder is Basic Bree approved. This is definitely my 5th container of this, and I'm gonna just tell you right now, let me just remove this little top. This is a lot of product. This is full of product, and this is like $10. I can't approve more of a product. Actually, I can approve more of a product that doesn't smell so stinky. I love you. Good night. It's not gonna. Good night, guys. Love you. Tell me your faves. What are you interested in? What are you looking at buying? And you're like, I don't know if I want to buy that. I don't know if I want to buy that. I don't know if I want to buy that. I don't know. I know. And I'm gonna tell you. Au revoir, mon amour. Au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir. Bye.